Hi everyone, today I'll show you this Dreame L30s Ultra that I have right here. I'm gonna show you in an unboxing video so you can know what to expect when you have one, to see like what's inside the box, what's out of the box and everything. So this is the front of it. So the side is what it shows, all these features. Right? I'm gonna turn around. So L30s Ultra, all this. You can see this. Right? Here. This hand on top, more features. Alright. The top. They don't say oops. Sorry. Okay, so like this is how it looks like on the top. Yeah, these are some highlights on some features. And the bottom is just a warning. Alright, so I'm going to open it up to show you what's inside. Alright, so let's begin. Alright, so we get a user manual here. So it shows all these details, right? Quick start guide. Alright, so this is when you need to quick start. Alright, so this is a ramp to go onto the dock. Alright, ramp. Vacuum bag, very useful. The robot as well. So I'm going to show you the robot. It's really beautiful and like interesting. So it comes with all these seals and everything. You can see the side, back, the bottom. Right. I think we probably need to put the mobs and everything on, and then remove the sensor covers before we actually use it. So we'll put this on side first. So the dot is there. So let me put this upright so it's easier to. Right, so there's nothing left inside. So everything is here in this kind of kit-like say the structure, box structure, where it has all these accessories in one place. And the box itself, right, very nice, all white. So both tanks are inside. The dirty water tank and the clean water tank. Alright, inside. So it has already a vacuum bag ready installed, and this is a detergent compartment for detergent. So the interesting part of this is that when you pull it out, it will actually occlude or close the vacuum bag so that no dust or minimum amount of dust only will come out. So this is a very neat feature that I really like. So put it back. Okay, it's all good. Back up. Alright, so you can see in the kit comes with the mop pads. Alright, 2 mop pads. Comes with this stripper. And this is the power cord. And this is a cleaning brush. We need this to clean the washboard down here. You can see here is a washboard. And you also, if you like, you can also clean the dirty tank with this, like scrub it down here. Yeah, you can use this. Okay. In fact, the manual asks you to clean it with a brush, which is this. Alright, so besides that, there is this detergent which you put into the tank, just how you saw. Yeah, gonna take out the cable. So this cable goes to the back here. You can see. So here there's a plug point where you can actually plug in the cable. Alright? Once you plug in, you can just you want to manage your cable, you can just slide through here. Yeah, so oh yeah, there's a handle. I'm not quite sure what this is. Let me see the manual of it. So it says here, it's a reserve slot for connecting the water hookup kit for auto refilling and draining. So this is not relevant to those of us who just use it to the tanks and everything. This is for the auto drainage system. So alright, there you go. Fully explained. I'm gonna install the components to this. Okay. Let me peel it off. Alright, so when you see this machine, so you see here, there's a part where you put this thing. So I'm going to put it on. To a square. Alright, so it's fully on already. Okay. Next, gonna put the mop pads. So these are magnetic. Right? nice and easy. Right, so I'm gonna show you the sensor coverings. So just in case I miss anything, so you can see here the amount of coverings that we need to remove. So here to put on the commands which we already did. So now we're just gonna remove all the coverings here. So plastic sheet goes off. Right. So here. Oh, what's this? Remove before use. Oh, okay. Interesting. Remove it. Alright, there you go. Interesting. It's an interesting covering here. It's pretty thin, but I don't think we should remove it because it's not stated here. So be very careful. Don't remove the wrong thing. Right. So put it back. So I'm gonna remove this. Alright. So what's left is the front camera. Alright, goes on. So there you go. This is the robot itself, how it looks like. Alright. Gonna tidy up a bit, then plug it in. This ramp goes to the front, gonna show you. Alright, so put it in. Yeah, there you go. The robot will just go right up and get charged here. So you can see. Yeah. Here's a washboard. You need to clean from time to time. They will show you some instructions on how to do it. But yeah, we'll put it back on there. Right. So now before I actually use the machine, I will pour in the detergent. So this is the detergent tank. So open this up. Alright, detergent. But probably it depends, like, you know, if you want to use the detergent at all. But okay. So detergent is a clear like liquid. You can see this. Yeah, I'm gonna pour it in. Right, so now I'm gonna put the detergent tank back into the slot. Right, so it's all done. Gonna close it up. So it's actually all ready for me to just plug in and to run it. So now I'm going to determine the right location to actually plug in and also put in the robot. Then start it for the first time. So yeah, gonna go towards that scene right now. Alright, while we wait for the app to download and everything, I'm gonna show you the menu in case there are those of you who want to, have a look at the manual. So I'm gonna flip through it. You can pause the screen anytime if you read the information displayed in the manual. Right, so it shows all the components and parts and everything. Here's an overview. Interesting. Alright. Preparing your home. How to use. Right, these are the Mandarin parts. Alright, there you go. The user manual is now recorded in this video. So, alright. This one I showed you just now. Okay, let's get on to actually give it a spin. Before we connect the robot, we need to press this on for 3 seconds. Okay, it's turned on right now. So after that, scan this with the app. Then you'll connect to the robot to pair the app with the robot itself. Alright, so now that we have turned this on, I'm just gonna follow the instructions on the app itself to pair the robot with the app. So I'm gonna press these 2 buttons at the same time for 3 seconds, and you should hear a confirmation voice.
Waiting for the network configuration.
Alright, so I'm gonna proceed with the network, and I'm gonna click on the network device hotspot connection. Yeah, join. So it's actually pairing the robot with the network, and yeah, alright.
Robot and phone connected. Please return to app to wait for the result.
Alright. Alright, so it's connected successfully already. Just now it said network connected successfully, so I'm gonna click on finish. Alright, so I just position this dock and plug it in already. So I'm gonna put in the robot into its dock. so that you can pair with the dog itself. Put it in the box side in. So, right. Okay.
Start charging.
So it's charging right now on the dock, and I'm gonna fill up the tanks and give it a test run. Right? Okay, so now I'm gonna start it for the first time. I'm gonna show it to you. So
Start mapping.
so
It will take about 5 to 10 minutes.
start mapping right
Please
now.
open room doors to be cleaned and clean up objects on the
But
ground.
I'm gonna pause it right now, just to show you that
Paused.
it actually works. It comes out and it does its job. So I'm gonna conclude the video for now. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much for joining by. See you guys next time. Bye, God bless. Cheers, loves you all.